So to revise what we have done up till now, we have this one. We could make it so we will green it, which is a background of the body, which didn't do anything. And now for the adding the login and register for PC and mobile, we have done that. So we have done that successfully. Change spaces between elements. Let's do that and let's see if we need more space between the elements or not. Actually, I think we need more space from the left and right side. So why don't we make this go into a container? Let's see if we can do that. This thing is container floyd, and that's why it's taking just like the whole space. We want it to be a container whenever it reaches the LG. The container is having something like a padding from the left and the right, not like the container floyd, which takes the whole space. So let's see if that works. Yeah, exactly. So it worked and it became like this. But I guess I do not need all this space. It's too much actually. So we might make it like this. So I feel like it is better not to put a lot of space here just like that. So we will figure out another solution. I do not prefer to make it a container on the LG screens. All what we're gonna do is actually to put a padding for the left and right margin, which is a px about 4, I guess. So let's see what is the result now. It is not bad. What about 5? Well, not bad at all, and even better than here, I guess. So I guess I like it like that. For the links right here, why don't we just like give more space to each link? I think if we change it the padding X, which is the padding left and right for this one, it will give us more space here and more space here, and that's what we need. And we can do that with the Bootstrap. Let's go. We will go to the features and we will put padding X of 4. I guess maybe 5 will be better. Yeah, so like that, we have a lot of space. I guess that's better, and that's a lot better. And what's left now is to put the icons and then to go and make the navbar customizable CSS style sheet. What we have done up till now is that we changed the spaces between the elements. So let's go and make this one green. And what we can do now, or what we have to do now, is to create the navbar.scss. But remember, we have said that we need the icons. So before we do that, I will update this to make the create the navbar.scss here, and here we will take the icons part, and let's go and bring the icons that we need, and from where we will get them from the Bootstrap icons website. So we will go here and we will go to the icons, just write icons here, and you are in the icons part. But when you press here, I think now we will be in the icons. But yeah, here are the icons. We will get some of these icons, and I think that you already know how to use them. You just press here and you copy and you paste and you are good to go. So let's stop here, not to make the video too long, and go and continue that in the next one. Let's go.